I honestly do not think I would have been able to do it without the Duquesne University SBDC on my side. Hi, my name is Jeniffer Mangino and I am the owner of Jump Bounce Go Kidz Zone. We are located in Union Township in Newcastle, Pennsylvania. So here we provide an interactive play facility for children ages between 2 and 12, but all are welcomed. We have 2 play structures, one of which is a 3-level play structure. It incorporates all kinds of hidden gems. We have a rock wall, a 15-foot rock wall that children love to climb. We have a self-propelled swing. It's been said that it looks like the truffle trees from Dr. Seuss, and we have an interactive ball pit as well as a self-propelled merry-go-round. All children want to play, but not all children are welcomed at other facilities due to not having code for wheelchairs or walkers or things like that. So when creating this, that was a part of the project. That was honestly the core of my project, outside of my children, giving them something fun and safe, was to make sure that we can include every child in our community. And with the way it was built, it is meeting that need. We have had quite a few special needs children come through our facility in the last 2 months, and parents have cried that their kids have some place to go, which that is just like, that makes me feel complete. The Duquesne SBDC has helped me along in numerous ways. First, with my business plan. I do own another business, but I had never written a business plan, never knew what went into it. When I had reached out, I was in touch with a gentleman by the name of Doug Harding, and he truly just became a mentor for me in the year plus that I had interaction with the SBDC at Duquesne University. Outside of helping me with the logistics, the paperwork and stuff, it was also an emotional support for me. I found that not only did I have someone who knew what they were talking about and could help me pull the trigger on those things, but also I gained a friendship that I think would last for a really long time. So we opened January 16th, and when we opened, we had 2 parties booked for the month of January, which was 2 weeks left in the month. Come to February, we ended up doing, I think it was like 9 or 10 birthday parties. And that was like, oh my gosh, the community's responding well. We fast forward to now, March, we have over 23 birthday parties booked. So I think the word is getting out there, which is really awesome, and the response has been wonderful. So we're super excited to be here.